Next, amino acids who have hydroxyl group. How will you remember? Tyrosine, osin is like OH is hydroxyl. Threonine, O is also hydroxyl. Finally, serine. Serine sounds like kerosene, which is also O. So, someday tyrosine, threonine, serine are the ones which are having the hydroxyl groups. Then doctor, सल्फर साइड चेन किस पे रहता है? ये तो स्कूल जाते हुए बच्चे भी बोल सकता है. Cysteine and methionine, no challenge. Which amino acids have a aroma? Aromatic rings is the next important question. So doc, phenyl, हॉस्पिटल में क्या करते हैं? फ्लोर को क्लीन करने के लिए फिनाइल इस्तेमाल करते ना. So phenyl is the one which we use. Phenyl. So phenylalanine is an aromatic one. Phenyl से पैदा होता है tyrosine, that is also aromatic. Then comes the histidine. Histidine means first thing we remember is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin means blood. Blood always stinks. So histidine also is aromatic. Then tryptophan also has an aromatic chain. Tryptophan means what is everyone remember? Everyone remember it as serotonin. So all of us know that serotonin, 5-hydroxytryptamine, typically has got a ring, aromatic ring. So that is the reason tryptophan also. So phenyl, tyrosine, histidine, tryptophan, they are all aromatic is what you have to ultimately remember. So that is the story of aromatic amino acids.